Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm your host, Sophia. Today I'm going to make paella with mussels and turkey sausage. Paella is a Spanish dish of rice and saffron along with any kind of meat or seafood you want. Today I'm going to use just mussels and have turkey sausage for a side dish. It's a very tasty and easy to prepare. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
We are using 2 pounds of live mussels. Wash each one to remove the beards. And make sure they are closed. Discard open ones. Take a cup of basmati rice. Wash it and soak it for 15 to 20 minutes. My little one wants to help me today. Let me show you all the ingredients. 1/2 cup of chopped yellow bell pepper, 1/2 cup of chopped orange bell pepper, 1/2 cup of chopped red bell pepper, 3 to 4 garlic cloves chopped, 1/2 onion chopped. Using 20 ounce, that is 1.25 pounds of sweet Italian turkey sausage. There is no antibiotics or steroids added. In a big skillet, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Peel the outer skin off and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add all the bell peppers, red, orange, and yellow, and fry until the meat cooks thoroughly. In a big shallow pan or a wok, add 1 teaspoon of oil over medium heat. I'm using grapeseed oil today. Once the oil is hot, add chopped onion and fry for a minute or 2. Add chopped garlic and fry for another minute. I'm using chicken broth instead of water, which gives you more flavor. Into that, add 2 cups of chicken broth. Cover it and bring it to a nice boil. Here the sausages are almost ready. We didn't add any salt because the sausage has enough salt in it. It's boiling. Now add rice, salt to taste, and bring it to a boil on medium heat. Add 10 to 12 threads of saffron and mix it well. Most of the water has evaporated. Now add the mussels. Reduce the heat to low. Cover it and cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until the mussels all open. You should see that the meat is no longer clear. Adding 1/2 cup of frozen peas after the first minutes of cooking. Cover it again and continue cooking. It's been almost 20 minutes and they all opened. Fold the rice slowly. Please discard any unopened ones. It came out very well. All these ingredients mixed together have such a great aroma. It goes very well with sausage for a side dish.
Always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.